Hello and welcome to this course in which I'm going to show you how to use traffic exchanges the right way to drive traffic to your sites. There's a lot of negativity out there about traffic exchanges because people just don't know how to use them, and people say that it's junk traffic, but if you use it the right way, it can be very effective. Okay, you got to keep in mind that traffic exchanges have been around since almost the beginning of the internet. I believe they've been around even before Google came along. So a lot of traffic strategies or fads have come and gone, but traffic exchanges have been around since almost the beginning, and they are still being used to this day to drive traffic. And should I mention that it's also free? So it's free traffic. Keep that in mind if you're new to internet marketing. So this is definitely a traffic method that you should look into. So in this course, that's what I'm going to cover is how to use it the right way. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Alright, so in this video, I'm just going to quickly go over what traffic exchanges are. So what I'm looking at here is trafficswarm.com. This is one of the more popular traffic exchanges out there. So I'm just showing this just to get an example. Now, traffic exchanges, like I mentioned in the previous video, they've been around since almost the beginning of the internet, although it was not really for commercial purposes. Later on, though, a few years after they were created, they were used for commercial purposes. So basically how traffic exchange sites work is that you join a traffic exchange site such as this, and what happens is people will view your site, and you also agree to view other people's websites that will show up on your screen. Okay, so every time you view someone's site, and usually there is a minimum length of time required for you to view that site, to have it on your browser. So usually it's around 10 seconds. But anyways, every time you view someone else's website, you earn credits. And so basically the more websites that you view and the more credits that you earn, then the more times that you can have your website shown to other members of that traffic exchange. Okay, and there are dozens and dozens of traffic exchanges out there. So you can just do a quick Google search. There's also some blogs out there that give tips on traffic exchanges, and they give a top 10 or top 20 list of the top traffic exchanges out there. So you can quickly find out which traffic exchanges are the more popular and high quality ones out there. Now, if you don't want to spend your time viewing other people's sites all day, you could just keep it to a limit of say 1 hour per day, or even if you don't want to spend any time at all viewing websites, what you can do is buy credits, so that basically if you buy credits, you could have your website show up more often without you having to always view other people's sites. Another option for you is if you have an employee or virtual assistant, you can have them view the websites for you and earn credits for you. Another interesting thing about traffic exchanges is that they encourage users to build their own referral networks. Basically, what this means is if you refer people, you will get credits. So this is another way to get more views to your site, is if you actually recruit people or refer people to traffic exchanges, because you'll earn credits for signing people up and also for other things that they do. So then that means you could have more views to your websites. Alright, so in this video I want to cover the right way and the wrong way to use traffic exchanges. First off, I should mention that traffic exchanges are mainly for marketers and businesses that are in the internet marketing and make money online niche. Because face it, people who are in traffic exchanges are mainly interested in generating traffic and making money online. So that's your target market. If you have a health related product, most likely people on this site, the users of traffic exchanges, are not going to be interested. So With that said, let's just mention the first way or the wrong way to use traffic exchanges. And the wrong way to use them is to promote affiliate pages, affiliate products, and even your own products that you're selling. Because users on traffic exchanges generally have a short attention span, and they only have to view a site for a minimum of, say, 10 seconds, around 10 seconds. And so basically, they just want to move on to the next site, and they do not want to read a long sales page. Okay, so the right way to use traffic exchanges is to promote your squeeze page, to try to build a list. So traffic exchanges are essentially a good list building strategy. Okay, of course, you could promote affiliate products and sell your own products later on when you follow up on your leads, but your main focus is to collect leads through traffic exchanges. Now that we have that established, that you should be promoting squeeze pages and building your list, your squeeze page has to grab their attention because, again, like I said earlier, they have a short attention span on traffic exchanges and they only want to click on to the next site. So it should also be very targeted, and you should know who you are targeting to. And as I've already said, the people you are targeting to are people who are interested in traffic and people who are interested in making money online. So the product that you're going to be giving away should be related to that. It should be a traffic related product, course or ebook, report, and also it could be related to generating traffic. Now, to even be more targeted, you could give away something that shows them how to use traffic exchanges more effectively. Now that's going to grab their attention. So that's just an example. You have to understand who you're targeting to and what they want.